Hi again, it's Nathan Aiken here from the College Discovery Program at Bronx Community College. And today I wanted to talk with you about conjugating verbs that end in ER or IR. So at this point, you might already have gone over the AR, ending verb conjugation. So some of this will be review for you. But now we'll go into the ER and IR verbs. So there are three types of verbs. And first, I think it's important just to establish what is a verb. So a verb is an action. In English, we could say to hike, or run, or visit. But there will always be the word to in front of it, especially when we're translating from Spanish. So cantar would be to sing. To eat would be comer. And to write would be escribir. Notice that there are three types. One that ends in AR, one that ends in ER, and one that ends in IR. So what is it when we talk about conjugation? Well, I'll show you with our conjugator. So conjugation is a wonderful way for us to take a verb in its natural state, ending in AR, ER, or IR, and then transform it so that we can use it the way that we want to. So let's say if we wanted to talk about cantar. Everyone likes to sing, right? Even if it's just by themselves. So cantar means to sing. And if I wanted to tell you that I like to sing, that would be a great word to use. Me gusta cantar. I like to sing. But if I just wanted to talk about how she sings well, or the fact that I sing in general, cantar becomes kind of useless for me. I've got to do something with it. So I run it through the conjugator. Let's use I sing. When I put it through here, out the other end, I should have a similar word, but different enough that it will tell me we're talking about me singing. Canto. Cantar became yo canto. And that's the way the conjugator works. It's just a simple process of changing the word enough to really specify who you're talking about. So if you want, you can take a screenshot or save this. You should already be a little familiar with AR ending verbs. But the way these charts work is that we have I, you, he, she, or you formal, we, and they, or all of you. And they correspond with the boxes over here, where we would change the AR at the end of cantar or any other AR verb, and we would substitute it with the O to mean I sing, or an AS for you sing, and so on. Now let's go into a quick little practice just to see how you do with cantar. A review. So you can pause the video, write this down quickly. What you'll do is just substitute these two little yellow letters with the ones here to indicate who's singing or who sings. Your answer should look like this. Now let's take a look at the ER and IR verbs. What do you notice right away? The first thing that I noticed was that the O is the same in each of them. Actually, they all seem a little similar. The next thing that I noticed is that for I, you, he or she, and they, it's the same with ER and IR verbs. The only difference actually between these two is the nosotros portion for we. This becomes imos, and it becomes hemos with ER. So let's practice before we finish up. Let's take comer, that we talked about at the beginning, to eat, and conjugate this verb. Go ahead and write that chart that we just worked on, and see if from memory you can write I eat, you eat, He or she eats, we eat, and they eat. So your answer should look like this. If it doesn't, don't be too hard on yourself. You're still just learning this. You are learning a new language after all, which is exciting but challenging. Now, using this chart, see if you can make another one for escribir, which means to write. Remember that the only difference really is the nosotros part. And your answer should look like this. Yo escribo, tú escribes, él o ella escribe, nosotros escribimos, y ellos escriben. Very good. So hopefully that was helpful. If you have any questions, as always, you can send me an email, or if you're in the College Discovery program, just come into the office anytime during the walk-in hours, which are Thursdays from 12 to 2. And we will see you soon.